Yeah, sorry. That's fine. I'll sort it out.
Thank you.
This
Uy,
is
ito,
all.
laki ng
Wow. That's really nice.
Here you have the kitchen and
Oh,
all the
that's nice.
equipment also here.
Uh-huh.
If you want to use it, if you want to cook also, just you have to buy the grocery.
Yeah, that's that's
All
good.
the cooking
that's
pot,
good.
plate, glass in
Oh,
freezer.
that's really
You
nice.
have also washing machine also there.
Oh, we can still do the washing.
Yeah, you can just buy only the the detergent.
The soap
from
and
the-
detergent. Oh, that's
this
really
grocery
nice.
shop is 24/7.
Uh-huh.
Anytime you can go and take it from there.
Oh,
And it's very near in city center shopping mall also.
Yeah.
Like walking distance is 10 to 15 minutes.
yeah.
For us it's 10 minutes. For you it's like 15 minutes.
So are you here every day? Are you here every day?
I'm here every day.
Okay.
No problem. I'm here
Yeah.
every day from.
Your name is
Nahi.
Nahi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm here.
Thank you.
always- Nahi.
Yeah.
N-A-H-I.
Nahid, ah?
Yeah.
Yes, madam. Here you have the room. 4 room is here, madam. So you can just.
This is the curve.
Okay. So you have a
Wow,
nice
we get the sea
beautiful
view.
from here.
Wow, we get the sea view. Thank you very much.
We have
Thank
also
you.
very nice swimming pool in a rooftop.
Oh, is it,
It's
what about the
very
gym?
nice. Gym also they are same.
On the roof.
Yeah,
Okay.
same. And madam, we have also one like not for us. This is like there is one beach. It's called West Bay Beach. We
West
have a
Bay.
collaboration with them. So if you'll go there, they will charge you like 35 real.
Uh-huh.
From us, if you will take the voucher, it's 15 real per person.
Oh,
One
very
five.
good.
So
What do you call
have
that
discount
hotel?
also.
What
This-
hotel is that?
This one
Yeah.
or this one?
That one with the thingy.
This one is a Four Season.
Oh, that's the Four Season, and that one is?
This is apartment, madam.
Oh, just apartment.
Apartment, and this is the round one is the Novo restaurant. Novo.
Novo. Okay.
Novo, and this
That's
is
your
the Hilton.
Yeah.
And there is Tetrabrick Society, but we don't have any alcohol. We are not serve any alcohol. But you can bring if you have any friend, they can bring here. We don't have any issue.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
we don't have any issue. We'll not stop
Nobody
them,
drink
don't we?
anyway. We're not an
Nobody.
alcoholic.
Okay, it's good.
We're not an alcoholic.
We have a good.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Please, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your stay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
Nahi.
much. If you need
Nice meeting
anything,
you.
I'll be here every day from 11 to 8 o'clock. From morning 11 to 8 o'clock, just tell my name, Nahid. I'll come.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care, sir. Thank you. If you need any extra blanket or something, just let me know.
We're all right. We're all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see. That's really nice.
Very calm and
You need everything you want.
Not like the other one. It's okay to open and light. Mas gusto ko to. This one is
calm.
Uh-huh.
Para bang
Yeah.
makaka-rest.
nice. It's okay.
Wow.
Nice.
You get a sleeper.
Uy, nice.
Yeah, you get a sleeper called curve.
Good.
That's really nice.
It's good.
Yeah, tsaka may kitchen. We had a kitchen.
Ganito.
Mura lang. David,
They only do.
it's 1,000 for how many days? Is it 4 nights?
1,400.
1,400 for 4 nights.
It's like 350 kasi din.
Yeah.
So
It's still very cheap.
maybe yeah.
Yeah.
I've worked it out. It's about 300 pounds.
300 pounds for the thingy.
For 4 nights,
Yeah.
300
300
pounds.
pounds. That's really a good price.
For 4 days.
Yeah. You got the microwave. Yeah. Cooking stuff, washing machine.
Oh, there.
Mm-hmm.
Complete.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
You get the fridge,
Mas para sa akin, mas
dishes
okay.
and everything. Yeah.
They, for me, it's better than the Pullman.
Yeah.
Good. Very calm
Yeah.
and
You had the kettle.
Do I have breakfast here or not?
No, it's
Yeah, we had the breakfast downstairs.
breakfast free, huh?
Kettle,
Again,
water. You can just request water.
Oh, just request
Yeah.
water.
Let's see what's in the toilet.
It's a toilet.
It's a shower. There's no bath. It's just a shower. It's all right.
no, but no.
No bathtub.
Oh.
But still all right. No,
Eh, paano siya?
nakaligo na yan.
Siyempre, apat na araw kayo.
Oo, hindi yun ano araw-araw. It's not. Pag walang
Loko
bathtub,
ba? Eh, pa-birthday na ni Amara noon, dapat paliguin mo na siya.
sasakit ko dun sa ano. Sa bahay na. Sa bahay na.
Mas maliit eh, di syempre mas ano na dito.
Ay, sa bagay. Hindi ko alam kasi
Yeah,
sa...
it's nice.
Iba to.
You got the lounge, we got the telly,
Ah, nakabook ba siya ito?
Oo.
Magkano?
Shasha after this. We're gonna be here for 5 days.
Ano to? Kaya sabi mo sa akin.
Right, that's our view for the rest of 5 days.
Hindi ko alam. Siguro mga 4. Oh. 375 4. Malamig to.